the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video, another baking video. And for today it is coffee crisp roll cake. So it's like Swiss roll, but it's more to Japanese style, Bolu Gulung in Indonesia, but it's not really rolled, so it's molded in modern way. You'll see in the video. Today is my oldest son 11th birthday, and he requested for Among Us themed cake, and he really loves Swiss roll or Japanese roll or Bolu Gulung. So, and he also loves coffee crisp bars, the chocolate with wafer and coffee flavor. So I saw they still got some leftover from the Halloween. I chopped them up as the filling. And yeah, so this is very easy to make, and in other words, it's just decorated Swiss roll, decorated roll cake with Among Us theme. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So what I have here is 3 yolks with 50 grams of superfine sugar. So we're just gonna beat it or cream it. We want to cream it until thicken or combine. Meanwhile, mix 50 milliliter of milk with 40 milliliter of sunflower oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and then we're gonna pour the mixture into our beaten sugar and yolk. And this is about 80 grams of strong baker's flour with generous pinch of salt. Now our yolk and sugar is already thickened and mixed, so we're just gonna pour our liquid, which is milk and sunflower oil and vanilla essence. We're gonna add our flour mixture. So it's a little at a time. And you want to beat the mixture until completely combined. So you want to scrape the sides. We're gonna beat 3 egg whites until frothy. Now we're gonna beat in 1 table of sugar, superfine sugar, a little at a time. With 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and we're gonna keep mixing it or beating it until stiff. So until it holds its shape. You're gonna fold this is when stiff. Even when you turn it upside down, it will not fall down. We're gonna fold this egg white into the yolk mixture. You want to mix it nicely, but do not deflate the egg white much. Now you want to divide the batter into a couple of balls, small balls, and tinted it, or you can bake it as is, or you can decorate as you wish. but for decorating you want to take out some batter into small balls and tint or color the batter. So like so, in several balls, and then color it. Just mix it until completely turn into green for one ball, turn into black for this ball, red for this, and so on. Now all the color prepared, we just fill it into our Ziploc bag or piping bag, and then pipe the character one color at a time. You want to pipe the black color first for the layout, and we're gonna bake it at 325 preheated for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes we're gonna fill it with the other colors. So you want totally to fill up the line, the baseline, so that when we fill up or flood with another color, it will look nice. Once filled up, we're gonna bake it for another 2 minutes. We're gonna flood the whole pan with the leftover batter. So, and since I have leftover, I'm just gonna pipe them here and then spread it as well, so I don't waste batter. And then we're gonna bake it for 15 to 18 minutes. We're gonna bake it for 15 to 18 minutes. For the filling, I have about 7 coffee crisps here. This is my oldest son's favorite, that I'm gonna chop it off and fold it into the whipped cream. So that's gonna be our filling. The whipped cream is just regular. You whip 1 to 2 cups of heavy cream and flavor it with icing sugar or even honey or maple syrup and vanilla essence, and that's about it. Just chop them off, the coffee crisp. Let's make the cream. This is 3 times 3/4 cup of heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. We're gonna whip it until thickening or airy, and then we're gonna flavor it with vanilla and maple syrup. When it starting to thickening like so, we're gonna add our vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, and then we're gonna keep beating it until creamy. Now we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. See, it's soft cream already, so we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of syrup, maple syrup, and then we're just gonna whip it a little more. You don't want until it's curdled into butter. You just want to whip it just tiny bit, a little more than the soft cream. Sweetness, it's up to you. If you want sweeter, add more maple syrup or sugar or icing sugar or whatever you like. But this is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now our cream is done. We're gonna fold in our coffee crisp. Flip them and slowly peel the paper. From whichever side you'd like. So yeah, we're gonna cool this down. Peel the paper and cool it down. So cool it down for 8 minutes at least before we start filling with our cream. After 8 minutes, you can fill the cream in the center and then roll it, or you can use a mold for a modern style or cheater style. So I flip it already, and then we're gonna fill the middle in the center with cream. And this is the other, I kind of half the cake so that there's the base and then there's the top. We're gonna dump it onto our cake. and spread it nicely. It's already filled and stacked. We're gonna chill it for at least a couple of hours before we slice it.